first of all, we have been a part of the problem for many years. Since 1862, we have becoming more and more efficient in shipping out items, clothing, fashion. The statistics show that every second, the equivalent of a garbage truck full of fashion items is being burned or sent to landfill. And that is something that we want to change. Instead of being a part of the problem, we want to become a part of the solution. So years ago, we started with a department called Corporate Social Responsibility. And the first thing you want to do is, change the world. It's not going to be possible. What do you want to achieve? You want to be the best, the most sustainable company, but also that it's not a race, it's not a competition. So what we want to embody is to be recognized by our peers as a sustainable logistics service provider. But how do you do that? We started out with asking internally, what is important to us? What do we find important as a company? What do we have influence on? What has influence on us? So we simply asked our colleagues, rate these topics. And from those topics, then we get a chart, more like what's important, what's not important, or less important. I mean, everything is important, but it's all about choosing and making a balance. Second, we had discussions with our clients, stakeholders, NGOs, governments, banks, investors. What are they think is important to us? What is what we should be working on? So, okay, we knew what's important for us, what Bleckmann employees thought was important. We knew what our stakeholders deemed to be important for us and for them as well. So putting those two together, you get call it the matrix. As you see on the graph, on the horizontal axis is what Bleckmann importance, and on the vertical axis is what's important to our stakeholders. So to get in line with each other, to work on important things that is important to both parties. And to make it more internationally recognizable, we also adapted the Sustainable Development Goals. Only 5, not all 17. I mean, there's only so much you can do in this world. And from that then, we got one stage deeper into the matter.